A buy now ad is built differently than a book now ad, and a lead generation campaign won't use the same strategy as the donate campaign. Here's how to find ads filtered by CTA inside PowerAdSpy. Not every competitor ad is built for the same goal. Some advertisers want sales, others want bookings, calls, applications, and whatnot. Without CTA-based filtering, finding ads with a specific objective can take time. That's where a call to action filter comes in. It helps you narrow your ad research based on the CTA button used in the ad. Let's see how it works. Inside the filter panel, open call to action. Here you will find a variety of CTA options including add to cart, apply now, book now, buy now, call now, contact us, donate, and more. In this example, we select donate, apply the filter, and PowerAdSpy instantly refreshes the results. As you can see, the active filter now shows call to action, donate, and the platform displays ads using that CTA. This makes it easier to focus on campaigns built around a specific action instead of sorting through ads with different objectives. The CTA button often reveals the goal behind the campaign. By filtering ads based on CTA, you can quickly find the campaigns designed to drive the same action that you are interested in for researching. The next time you are researching for competitor ads, don't just look at the creative. Use the call to action filter in PowerAdSpy to find ads built around specific campaign goals and make your research much more focused. Start your free trial now.